today guys, I'm going to show you how to clean your pop choy. Pop choy is a part of the cabbage family, lettuce and stuff like that, the green vegetables. So what do, you rinse it off. You rinse it off, throw away that water. Okay, and what you do is you get a bit of salt, you sprinkle a little bit over it, something like that. Okay, to put a salt on it is for you to get rid of all the bacteria, the bugs, the whatever chemical that is on here. And the finger touching, you know, when you go to the grocery store, if they package it already, you know, hands touch it, or the salt gets rid of not every, but most of the bacteria. So what you do, you rinse it out of the salt. Now that I rinse it off, I separate. Let me put this aside to show you what I've done. This, you can throw this away, no good. So what I do, you separate them to look on the inside to see if there's any coloring, anything, any marks, this discoloration that you don't like. So this one is pretty clean so far. Right, you separate them, you cut this off, separate. So what happens is these small bits and pieces, some people it can be used, but I don't normally use them because this is not yet grown. And sometimes you have little buds, you know, the buds, that little beads and seeds and stuff like that. No, you don't want to eat that. So you separate. Right, remove all the discolored ones. This can be used, but you're gonna pare it out, pare it off there. That or easy way to do it, cut this off. That way you get it more easier to peel back. See, now finally find one. Now this is a discoloration that I'm talking about. You're gonna go in, you're gonna see if it can be taken out. If it can't be taken out, that means it's part of the vegetable. It's already ingrown into the vegetable. This is no danger. It's just that it's been aging or whatever, fertilizer, whatever it is, you know, as ingrown. So you just take it out, scrape it out, okay? Just like that. Take it out. All right? See? It's not anything sticking on it like it's a worm or any form of insect or stuff like that. And this part you can throw away. I throw it away. I don't know if many people do. And this little part here, these little small pieces, I don't think they're grown and they still have buds on it. I throw it away. This here at the bottom here, you're not gonna eat this here. You cut it off. All right. Discoloration out. Gots to go. Okay, so all right, now that I get rid of all those discolored parts from inside of a pop trowel, these little resin ends, I tear them off. See? Yep, I get rid of them. Sorry about that. I get rid of them. What you can do to save time, put them together, estimate how much you're gonna cut off. There you have it. So or if you want to spend time on it, you can go ahead and do them single. But it just didn't. I'm going at a faster pace right now for you people. Right? So there you have it. Already cut these off. And I put them back in to my container and I wash again because all that I've scraped off and all those other stuff. Yeah. I get rid of him. So you see how pretty and nice and clean it is right now? Yep, and all the dead, sorry, the dead leaves are falling off. Just like that. All right, so now I'm gonna separate them again and to show you how I get them to cook. Put them to start cooking them. I'm gonna cut the leaves up. All right, get rid of these. The other section of the sink. That, and then okay, what I normally do, I normally start with the smaller pieces. That's cheating, right? I small the smaller pieces, you know, because they cut more easy and quicker. So you start with this is the top, the leafy part. You start with what you call the bottom part. This is the more stiffer part, and work your way down. So you like put a knife down in, cut, back, cut. Or what you can do, if you have a cutting board, what you can do from your cutting board, you split it, big ones, and then you go ahead whichever way makes it easy for you. They're gonna come out the same if you cut it. See? So let me revise. All right, the bigger ones I split it in two. See, this way, split in two. Now I'm gonna cut it just like that. I can manage to hold it, squeeze it together, and then get it. Bam, bam. Or use my cutting board. All right, people. So there you have it. How to wash and start to prepare your pop toy to eat. Thanks, everyone.